So first up, I'm going to talk about the Kitronic electronic game, and then I'll be talking about how to use a transistor and what's actually going on there. So starting with the game, basically what you're looking at here is you've got 4 buttons and 4 LEDs, and what they'll do for you, it's got 2 modes on this. So if we just put that there, we've got four switches and then 4 different coloured LEDs, and when we turn it on, we get the choice of two modes. I don't know whether we can zoom in a little bit on that just so we can see what's happening. We've got 2 modes there. There's a memory game and a reactions game. So if I press the button for the memory game, what happens is it will flash out a pattern. So we have those 2 orange lights there. Every time you get it right, I don't know where you saw it quickly spun round. It then adds on 1 more LED to the sequence. And again, as long as you keep getting it right, every time that happens, quick flash, and then it then puts another one on the end. So we keep going like that, and obviously it gets harder and harder and harder. And given that I can't multitask and talk and press buttons at the same time, I'm going to stop at that point there and show you what the second mode is. If we turn it back off and back on again, these 2 LEDs flash again, and I can see the text here next to the green LED that says reactions game. I'm just going to press that. And what happens here, when the LED comes on, oh, too slow, when the LED comes on, you need to press the button before it goes out. And that'll happen randomly, and it gets faster and faster and faster up until the point when you can't press the button quick enough. So again, rather than get completely distracted by what's going on there, I'm just going to leave that and put it back up onto up here. So we find that that's a really nice little project. People like it because in the early years at secondary school, it's something that the students want to take home and use, and it also lends itself to either being used on its own if you're just wanting to do a quick session on some electronics, or alternatively, if you want to do an enclosure design, then it'll lend itself to that as well. But it is something that's a fun product. If you did want to have a look at one of these, the all-important stock code for this is 2103, and we do samples of this kit. If you're a teacher and want one sending out to a school, all you need to do after the show, go onto the samples tab within the services and request a free sample. And just for your memory, 2103 electronic games, the item there.